So guys, now we want to talk about Nudie Jeans. And actually what we're really excited about is we've worked in partnership to offer a nudie repair station in store in liquor store. This is a service that Nudie Jeans offer from their London stores, but we're actually the first UK stockist of Nudie wholesale account to offer this service. So what's that mean to you? Well, you buy any pair of Nudie Jeans, not just from us, but from any store. And obviously, denim's made of cotton. Eventually, it will wear in places. Common problems would be the crotch area, because that's a stress point of the denim, and that's where you can get holes appear, or maybe pocket linings and things like that. So what we'd like to say to you is, bring that jean to us. We'll actually offer a repair service, all free of charge to you. There's no cost involved at all. You bring it in, we repair it, we give it to you, and as a customer, that means maybe your favourite jean that looks a little bit tired can actually go on for a little bit longer. And Nudie is very ethical, so the whole sustainability and allowing that process to happen is really important to them. Equally, when you've got to the end of it and you're just like, these jeans are done, I need a new pair. That's great, bring those Nudies to us. Again, it doesn't have to be a pair you bought from us, and we'll actually take that jean off you, we'll repair it, we'll sell it as a vintage pair to our customer base, giving an opportunity for someone else to use that jean, but you as a customer also benefits. You'll get a 20% discount on your next buy, so everyone's winning on this. And also we're all doing a little bit for the environment.